Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do your brows. And in this tutorial, I will tell you guys about the different products that you can use to fill in your brows. I'll show you how to fill in your brows, and I'll also show you how to measure where your tail should end. So this brow tail over here. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell so that you get notifications of when I post videos. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to tell you about when it comes to brows is the type of products that you can use. So I have 4 types of products that you can use. I'm sure there are more, but these are the products that I have used over the years, and my brow routine has actually changed a lot. I started out not doing my brows when I first did makeup when I was 16. I didn't do my brows at all. Then I used the MAC eyeliner kajal, and this is just a brown twisty eyeliner pencil, and I used that on my brows and it looked okay, but it wasn't my favorite method to use. I then switched over to using a brow pomade gel. So this is the MAC True Brunette Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream. So it looks like this, and you can twist off the cap, and then this is what it looks like inside. So I mean, I've used quite a bit of it, but this is a nice method as well if you are someone who wants to fill in your brows and make them look more full and you don't really want that natural brow. I think this would be the best one for you. And the next products are brow pencils. So these are my 2 favorites at the moment. So this is the Catrice Cosmetics Slimmatic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This is a waterproof one, although don't know if I agree 100%, but it is a very nice one. So this is actually a very thin one compared to this one. It's the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and if I twist it, it looks like this. So it's like, it's not round, but it's like, yeah, it's a strange shape. But that is basically what it looks like. And then you also get, I mean, if you go onto the Benefit Cosmetics website, you will honestly see like so many different brow products that they have. It's actually crazy how they've found all these different types of products that you can use for your brows. It's crazy. But anyways, the next product that you can use is something called a brow pomade. So I have the MAC True Brunette Fluid Line Brow Gel Cream. So you can twist off the cap and it looks like this. See, it's just got like the gel inside. So usually for the brow pomade, you can use a small angled brush, which works really nicely. And you can definitely use this to fill in your brows. I don't think you can use this though if you want a more natural brow. For a more natural brow, I would suggest the pencils. And then another thing that I would suggest when looking at what products to buy for your brows, and that is a brow gel. And this is basically used to set your brows. So they usually have like a little comb. So they usually have like a little comb like this, and it's usually so that you can comb through your brows and let them stay in place all day, which is what you want. You want those brows to not go anywhere. And with these brow gels, you get either clear brow gel or you can get a brow gel that is the same color as your brows, and this is the Benefit Ready Set Brow. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in, and I'm going to show you the first thing that you need to do when doing your brows. So comb them, guys. Please comb your brows before you do them. I can't tell you what a difference it makes when you comb your brows. It just makes the shape look better. You can see what you're gonna do. You can see where you're going with your brow product. So, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna comb through those hairs and basically shape them. I mean, I kind of just shape them in the shape that they go. But as you can see, like this brow is a lot lighter by the tail than this one, so it is sometimes a bit difficult to see like where to go on my left brow, but it's okay. So the product that I'm going to be using today is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is such a nice product to use. So the first trick that I'm going to show you guys when it comes to drawing on your brows, you go from this tip over here by your nose to the tip of your eye. So if you look, so you follow that direction and that line, so it would end about there. Okay guys, so I am going to stop myself right there because I have to apologize. I actually did not explain this properly, and this is actually how you are supposed to do it. And when it comes to filling in your brows, you know, I suggest using a light hand first and then going a bit heavier, especially if you are a beginner. I think it just helps to just use a lighter hand so that you can see what you're doing and then fill it in a lot darker once you get the hang of it. So how I start is I usually don't start like on the inside here. I start like here in the middle somewhere, and I just fill in my brow and I just follow the shape basically. And then what I usually do, and I fill in the bottom half of that inner area, and then I just flick upwards. And you see the difference? How crazy is that difference? Just filling in your brows, like, and I think filling in your brows as well, it just like adds that little bit of like togetherness with your makeup and with your look. So that's, you know, something that is really, really nice. And then what I usually go and do is I just comb through the hairs again, just to make sure that I have followed the shape nicely. And also what I find is that when you comb through the brows again, I think any product that is just sitting on the brow and it didn't blend in nicely, it comes off onto the little spoolie, and it just makes the brows look a little bit more natural and, yeah, just a bit more put together, if you will. And that's basically it. That's how I do my brows. So I will now show you guys how to do the other brow. So obviously, once again, I am going to comb through my brows, and I'm just going to fill in the brow. This, I must just say that this brow is a little bit difficult because I went for threading. If you guys watched, I think, my last YouTube video, I went for threading and the guy took a bit too much off at the top here by my brow, so this brow is a little bit thinner now than this one. Obviously, I have the blonde hair, like it's difficult to tell where the shape goes for a lot of people, unfortunately, so I've kind of just had to like make do and just overdraw my brow on the left side, if you will. So I'm going to start in the middle again. And I'm just following that shape. And there you go. that is how I fill in my brows. I think they look super nice. So now I'm going to be using the Benefit Ready Set brow gel, and this is just going to set my brows into place and make sure that they don't go anywhere, and it also kind of just sets the product in place as well and make sure that it doesn't like come off during the day or anything like that. Okay, and these are the finished brows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go finish off the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. And this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial on how to do your brows. On my eyes I used 3 different palettes. I used the Kendall Kylie Jenner one, the Colourpop Lilac You A Lot, and then I also used the Colourpop Blush Crush palette. So I used those 3 palettes to come up with this makeup look, and I think it turned out so nicely. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support, all the messages, everything that you guys do. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I know you want to. I know these things. But I will see you guys next time. Bye. It's going to show you how it's fill in your brows. Every time I talk I have a new thing that I say. Products. So these are I cannot talk today. And the next product that